When you hear about the firm of the future, it seems value pricing is the future. But the truth is value pricing is difficult, it's time-consuming, and it's error-prone. My name is Manuel Martin, and I built the value pricing calculator to help accountant firms move to value pricing with confidence and with accuracy. Let me show you how it works. This is a fictitious firm of the future, and it's an accounting company, and it offers a variety of services. The value pricing calculator will give every accounting firm a button to place on their website, just like this one, where prospects can come in and request a free quote. This is for QuickBooks Online, and when prospects authenticate, they will get a chance to connect one of their companies to receive a free quote and submit it to the accounting firm of the future. Now, in the background, what the calculator is going to do is going to take the information from this company, and I'm going to choose the Black Bear Parties because it reminds me of my Canadian friends. And it's going to extract the information from their accounting books, and it's going to analyze it. And while it's doing this, it's going to compare it to the previous clients of this specific firm. It's firm by firm, it's very specific. And that's it. This is the user experience for the prospect. And now with my accountant hat, I'm going to log into the calculator. And I'm going to do this because I received an email notifying me that there's a new prospect. Not quite yet because it's processing. This is a heat map that shows me my existing customers, and I can come back to this one in a moment. But what the calculator is doing is analyzing the prospect information, and is comparing it to the historical information of the clients that I've served in the past. And once it does this, it shows me that I have a new prospect, and I'm going to look at the Black Bear Parties, and bang, just like this. The calculator is giving me a recommendation as to how much should I charge. This is the projected revenue. It's a guideline based on the historical information that I have for firms that look like this prospect. It's also telling me that clients like this in the past, I've served them with a 10% margin. Might not be as high as I wished. But it's also telling me, because my firm has multiple services, the probability that that this specific prospect might purchase some of these additional services. The chances for account receivable management, or for reporting, or for payroll. This is the value pricing calculator. It's simple, and it addresses one very specific problem. Thank you.
Quick question. I'm curious as to why you think this is a problem in the market. Why, cost plus pricing doesn't satisfy accountants, and why looking at this in a black box relative to knowing what the market will bear, so to speak, is effective as a pricing solution.
I think one of the big trends in accounting is to move into a value pricing and moving away from timesheets and hourly pricing. But when firms try to do this, it's a little bit difficult. They usually do it trying a 3-month period, see how it works, then maybe change after that. Some other times they have to spend a lot of time and a lot of friction going into spreadsheets and trying to come up with the right pricing. What this attempts to do is save time, provide a more accurate method, and let the firm focus on the relationship instead of just crunching the numbers.
What does the algorithm look for to come up with that pricing?
In this particular case, is just looking at the complexity and the nature of the accounting books. Things like number of accounts, number of invoices, the frequency of payments on a period of 12 months.
So it's just going by like transaction and account quantity?
It looks at 26 different variables. Everything that's available in QuickBooks Online.
How are you going to overcome accountants saying that we're different and you simply can't systematize our pricing and our service sort of delivery models?
Are saying that firms will be different and they require different specific... the beauty of this is that it learns from each firm's data. So each firm is different, and it uses a neural network and machine learning algorithm to learn for very specific company. And the beauty is as more customers you serve, it will adapt for you automatically.
So does it base off of historical amounts of time spent on a certain type of company, or is it a set algorithm for the information in each company?
It is not a set algorithm. It would look at all the information available.
But just in the company, or does it take the amount of time spent on previous clients into equation?